Hi soulmates, and welcome to another video where I'll be showing you how I made this wonderful two-piece. Okay, so this video will be divided into two. This will be the part one. We'll be making the top, and then the part two for the down part will come later. Okay, so watch out for it. So this is the material I'll be using for it. 4 yards of material. Okay, and this now I'm cutting out the top, so I have to fold it into two and fold it again. So I'll be cutting the front and the back parts of this top together. All right. And now, while cutting this, I'm not be placing my tape from one. No, I'm placing it at 7 inches because it is an off shoulder top. Now, for my half length, which is 18, I'm adding 2 inches to it for the elastic casing down there, right? And then I'm marking that at 20. And now, upper part of it, I'll come there and mark it at 9 inches, okay, where I'll be getting the armhole from, right? And now for my chest point, for my bust, I'll be marking it. I'll be adding my bust into 4 and then adding extra 4 inches for good allowance, right? Because it's a free top, right? And now I'll be placing my tape like so. You can either place your tape like this or you place it straight and then mark out at 5. Either way you decide to do it, it's still going to give you the same result. Right? So either you place it like this or you place it like the first one I showed you. Okay, now connect the dots together and then I'll be simply cutting it out like so. But before then, let's connect the half length to the armhole, right? So here we're gonna cut. So guys, if you've not subscribed here now, please do what to subscribe, comment, like, share. Okay, it's going to boost my algorithm and make other people see this video as well. Okay, and yeah, thank you so much. Now let's cut out the sleeve part of this dress. Now for the sleeve, you will not be starting from 1 inch. Nah, we'll be placing our tape from 4 inches. Remember, it's an off shoulder top, right? So I'll be getting my long sleeve, and then for my round sleeve I'll just divide it into two and then add like extra 3 to 4 inches to it, depending on how puffy or big you want to be. You can do that too, you can also do two. Okay, and now after I've connected that together, I'm just going to come up here and then mark this at 5, the same thing I did for the top, and then I went down by 2 inches to just get that like that, and then connect that together. The next thing just to just cut it out. Okay, cut, which is the fun part. Okay, so do not forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, guys. Now this right here that I'm cutting now at 4.5 inches is just the elastic casing for where it's needed. That is the upper part of it and then the sleeve part of it. Okay, I'm just going to cut that like so, right? Remember, like I said in the beginning, this video is divided into two. This is a part one of it, and the part two where I'll be making the down part of it is coming later. So now let's get to the sewing. For the sewing, I'll be starting with the sleeve, that is attaching the casing to it and also adding the elastic. Now after doing that, this is what we have right here. Okay, and now I'm just going to bring in the main body of this top, and then I'll be pinning the armhole onto the armhole of the top, like the armhole of the sleeve to that of the top. Okay, so just watch me do it carefully. So like so, as you can see, they are both equal, right? So I'll just be securing that with my pin. Okay, and then I also bring in the back part of this top and also pin it to the other end of the sleeve. Okay, so just watch me do it carefully and you will understand. This part is very important and necessary, so you do not miss where you're supposed to sew and sew it onto somewhere else. Okay, so do that carefully. All right, so guys, if you've watched here now, do not forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. And if you have any questions, please do well to ask me in the comment sections, and I promise to answer all of your questions. If there is any tutorial you would like to see on this channel, please bring it to my notice and that will be done. Okay, so after pinning that, this is what we have. I'm just going to go back to my sewing machine right now to secure that and sew it up. Okay, so after sewing it up, this is what we have, right? So I'm just going to go ahead and then fold the armhole together like so, pin them together, and then with 1 inch allowance, I'm just going to sew from the sleeve to the down part of the top, and that's it. So after sewing it, here it is looking all nice and cute. So I'll just be attaching the casing onto the top and then adding the elastic as well. Okay, so this is it. After that, I added a frill at the upper part of it, so it's more like a design. So for the final part, I'm just going to fold that like so, and then add the elastic at the down part of it, and voila, this top is ready. I know you love it. If you do enjoy this video, please do want to give it a thumbs up, comment, subscribe, share, and remember, this is a part one on how to make the shorts. Please stay tuned and see you guys in my next video. Bye.